Hello. Do you want to know where we are now?
We're at Dundalk station. For the first time since December.
Right. As you saw in the clip I took, we caught a Enterprise train going to Belfast Central. We only caught the rest of the train, and the next train to catch will be I think it'll be a Connolly bound Enterprise, and I might also catch another Belfast Central Enterprise service, and then a commuter service that came from Dublin Pierce.
And also, I forgot to mention that this station also has a railway museum. If I just show you the museum. As you can see, if I zoom in, this station has a railway museum too. And a lot of people are wondering, are the Gatwicks still here? Yes, the Gatwicks are still here.
So this is going to be my spot, platform 1. As you can see, platform number 1, platform 3 in the distance. And I'll see you soon.